Contact Cruising Radar, 119.010, goodbye.
119.010. Goodbye.
998 Bravo.
It's finished. Checked. 1000 feet.
Cruising Radar, good day. Information Oscar. Inbound Papa Romeo 9012, descending flight level 100.
Good evening, Cruising Radar identified. High speed appreciated, number 1, and expect next descent in 1.5 minutes, military airspace below.
Roger. So high speed. Now is the pressure. She was asking for high speed would be appreciated.
Yeah, but more than 250? Can you ask if we can go
270? If you want to. For what?
Okay.
We can offer you 270 knots.
270 is going to be perfect. Thank you very much.
We were talking about high speed, no? Before. So just go 100 feet. So maybe we can get the descent before the wedding.
Good evening, Runway 85 Juliet, descending 100, Papa Romeo 906.
And 85 Juliet, good evening, Cruising Radar identified. Next descent in 2 minutes, class across space below.
Copy.
Especially if you don't know, like.
But this basically is nothing. It's fluffy.
I can't even confirm what it was.
It's just fluffy. I know. Can you see?
Descent 5,000 feet, QNH 1012.
Descend altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1012.
After Papa Romeo 912, descend 4,000 feet and clear ILS 30.
After Papa Romeo 9012, descend altitude 4,000 feet and then cleared ILS approach runway 30. Say again, QNH?
QNH 1012.
1012.
Okay. 1012 set. 10,000. Passing 9,200 feet. Now.
QNH 1012 set, check.
Thank you. Approaching. So we have to be 5,000 here, and then we can descend 4,000.
4,000 and then check.
So I'm heading there for 5,000. Aiming, sorry, 5,000.
Alright, approach checklist altimeters, QNH feet.
1012 set approach.
1012 set approach checked. APU is coming up.
Thank you.
And top is 14.
Yeah.
Up to you.
No, I'll just switch it off.
Thank you.
So I don't have to struggle with it.
But as we slow down, the top will decrease because of the ram air effect, so let's see. Okay, APU is available, transfer the view.
Runway Bravo Juliet and
We are on glide also already.
approach runway 30.
I'm heading 8 Bravo Juliet.
So we are clear for the approach after Papa Romeo 912, correct? Yeah. Okay. Don't scare me.
Thank you very much for the high speed. Maintain 160 or greater until passing 4 mile final.
Okay, reduce to 160 knots, maintain until 4.
160 or more.
160 or more.
They said not less than 160.
Approach 141, dobrý podvečer, descending flight level 100.
But now we can go 4,000.
Dobrý večer, radar identified.
We're passing Papa Romeo 912
Okay.
at 5,000, no worries.
Runway Bravo
I would slow down as well.
Yeah, I'm slowing down.
1012.
I'm coming back, come on.
Alright, approach headset and ready, passenger signs on, water journals not required, approach check is complete.
Thank you. That is 16 degrees. I have ground contact. I think it won't go below 15 or 14. Yeah. So you see, 5,300 Papa Roman 92, and now we going down. Oh, we don't need to go down. I mean, we are just above the glide already. We are clear for the approach, right?
Yep.
So approach mode armed. Reducing, so we
Runway
can catch
Bravo
the
Juliet,
glide.
heading 010.
Left hand 010 degrees on April Juliet.
You can tell establish unlock.
Localizer runway 30.
Celtic Tower 134.560. Bye-bye.
134.560. Goodbye.
The runway inside.
Trim left heading 030.
You have it? Let's look capture.
Well,
4,000 feet is
10 miles. So 230
yeah,
is
it's
quite
okay.
rough.
Yeah.
Virginia Tower, good day. We established ILS approach runway 3010 nautical miles.
Virginia Tower, good evening.
Well, you told me that I can go to 30, no?
On your theoretical exercise.
Yeah, okay, don't worry.
Iberia 08 Romeo Papa,
slowing
line up
down.
runway 30, crystal takeoff, wind 200.
But as long as you're below flaps 20, you're always safe.
We are ready to 20. Yeah, just 2 to 1 flap 20, please. Good. $180.
Okay.
Until 4 mile 160, right?
Or more.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. We are slowing down below 197. I put 160 already. Okay, reaching the 6 miles. Gear down flap 30, please. 185 is the speed.
At 30 seconds.
So it was 129.
Gear is down and indicating.
I'm just pre-selecting 129 and I'm maintaining 160, okay?
Yep.
129, maintaining 160. Flap 45. And before landing checks. Thank you.
Landing checklist. Cabin.
Secure.
Yes, Q or we can call NTI is off. Landing gear.
Turn indicating.
Turn indicating. Anti-skid system check. Thrust reverses.
Armed.
Armed flaps.
45.
45. Landing cleared. To go. Before
Check.
landing checklist 1. Open.
Okay, 4.3, slowing down.
Finnair 1 Yankee Bravo, Virginia Tower, good evening.
Autopilot off.
Check.
Yeah, it's super stable, man. Look at this. Jesus Christ. It's going by itself.
Runway 30, clear to land, wind 200 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear to land runway 30.
I like
Iberia 08 Romeo Papa, contact for
landing
radar,
checklist
bye-bye.
completed.
Thank you.
1000.
Stabilized. I like when the speed is coming slowly.
Good evening, Runway Bravo Juliet, left.
Elegant.
Runway 8 Bravo Juliet,
Because
Virginia
there's no
Tower,
need
good
to
evening.
be aggressive on the thrust, I would say.
Approaching 30.
Yeah, now the wind is changing, huh?
Wind from the left side.
Yeah, I see.
At the moment 15.
Yeah, I see. See, the temperature didn't go down, huh? Clear sky, I told you.
Approaching minimum.
Check.
Minimums.
Continue.
Finnair 1 Yankee Bravo, confirm ready.
30.
Hey, Finnair 1
20.
Bravo.
Finnair 1 Yankee Bravo, line up runway 30.
Line up runway 30, Finnair 1 Yankee Bravo.
Yep.
Spoilers up.
I should have been. I'm not braking at all.
Okay, then just let it roll.
Okay.
Thrust reverses off. Let it roll.
You know where is it, huh?
Yeah, Golf is over there.
Okay.
My control.
5,000 remaining. $4,000 remaining.
Contact Rusnia ground 121.910. Naslyšenou.
121,
10.
Contact Rusnia ground 121.910. Naslyšenou.
121, Thank you.
Finnair 1 Yankee Bravo, runway 30, clear for takeoff when 210 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 30, Finnair 1 Yankee Bravo.
Ground, good afternoon. Located on Golf.
Still with tower, continue, Foxtrot Lima.
Fox Lima and change 1191. Thank you.
Ready for departure upon reaching LoJet 1 to
Fox Lima. Yeah, Fox and Lima on the right.
4.560, bye-bye. 3456, LoJet 124, have a good night, bye.
Ground, good evening. Proceeding Fox Lima.
Good evening. Rusnia ground, continue taxi via Lima, Romeo, Quebec 5, stand Sierra 14.
Romeo Lima, Quebec 5 and second descent.
It's via Lima, Romeo, Quebec 5, stand Sierra 14.
Sierra 14. Romeo Lima, Quebec 5, Sierra 14.
Okay, after landing checklist.
So, APU is on, ignition is off. No, ignition off. Wing and Galantia is off. Props off, windshield off. Transponder alt off, flap 0 with the rudder. Yeah. On the 604 I have to remember that flight spoiler retracted, trim, reset. We give you the gen on. Complete.
So clearance was Lima, Romeo, Quebec?
Quebec 5.
Lima, Romeo, Quebec, right?
Quebec 5. Lima, Romeo, Quebec 5. You
Lima,
said.
Romeo, Quebec, okay. So we don't continue on this one.
No, it's Quebec 5.
There is the
It's
follow
this
me
one.
already.
So Lima, Quebec 5.
Lima, Romeo.
Lima, Romeo,
Yeah.
and Quebec 5.
Hold point 1
I can already see the follow me. So.
28, request push and stop.
Alpine 180 Foxtrot, Rusnia ground, pushback and start up at
Because normally you go over here and
Yeah, I understand. You were thinking to go up here.
no, sorry, my
We're gonna
mistake.
go-
Over there to the left.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is what I'm trying to say.
Approach to vacate in Golf.
Low runner 8 Bravo Juliet, Rusnia ground, taxi via Foxtrot, Lima,
Super
Lima 1,
strange
stand
weather.
29.
Just kind of
Fox Lima
start
1,
to-
send to Runway, Bravo Juliet.
Well, you see, you have to go straight, and then you turn left on Romeo,
Yeah.
and Quebec 5.
Because this would have been Golf, the exit.
Yeah, yeah.
And sorry, Papa.
There's no problem.
Jesus, mixing up the letters today.
Yeah, no problem. I'm mixing up more than the letter. Oh, another rainbow. Jesus. Really? It's the rainbow day.
Extra lucky.
It's the rainbow day. Amazing. Super nice.
stewardess to the left behind follow me car. Bye bye.
The filmmaker inside. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See, Quebec 5. We go up there, Quebec 5. Yeah. Clear. That's a fake aircraft.
Firefighting.
Yeah, I guess so, but it's very, very nice. It seems a proper one.
So just to let you know, during the approach, the load control valve switch light,
Okay.
it did not indicate open.
Okay.
The system was operating as if it's open,
Okay.
but it did not indicate open, so I quickly did a lamp test.
And
It was showing working.
yeah, I see
then
you doing the lamp test.
Yeah, and then I just quickly tapped it and it came on.
Fantastic, like this one, right?
Yeah. But this one is reproduced in the sim. It never works in the sim in PRG. You remember?
Yeah. And now it starts raining.
Yeah, I'll not be outside.
Passenger 141, dobrý podvečer, Runway 30, vykryvé Papa.
Passenger 141, různě ground, taxivé Lima, Romeo stand Sierra 25, ahoj.
Lima Romeo, Sierra 25, ahoj, Passenger 141. Ground hello, Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu, information Papa stand 55, rate copy, it's clearance.
Hello, Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu, různě
Kind of
ground,
nice to arrive at the
correct,
normal
image
time.
1012, time
So again?
13.
It's kind of nice to arrive finally at the normal time.
Yeah,
Position
okay,
5,
normal.
November
Well,
departure
compared
from
to yesterday.
5,000 feet, squawk 1000.
Hey, it's 8 o'clock, huh?
Clear to split by 5
And yesterday was?
Victor Oscar
Midnight.
Zulu 5, Victor departure,
11.
Harvard News 30, QNH 1012,
Yeah,
and
was 11.
squawk 1000,
Okay.
Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu.
Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu, departure, Victor Oscar Zulu 5, November, initial climb 5,000 feet.
Victor Oscar Zulu 5 November and initial climb 5,000 feet, Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu.
Repack correct, confirm ready for startup.
Alpha 1 Echo Foxtrot,
Did it say so?
Alpine 1 Echo Foxtrot, taxi
I
holding point
understand.
30 via Lima 1 Lima.
Taxi holding point 30 via Lima 1 Lima, Alpine 1 Echo Foxtrot. Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu, ready to start.
To put you like
Gracia 32 Charlie Zulu, startup approved.
check.
Plaza approach, Gracia 32 Charlie
And
Zulu.
shut down checklist.
Shut down. Parking brake.
On.
Thrust reverse.
Stowed.
IPU gen.
On.
Gen 1 and 2.
Off.
Boost pumps.
Off.
And right engine.
Shut down.
Left engine.
Shut down.
No steering.
Off.
Beacon.
Off.
Signs. Wing and current is off. Windshield off. ATC. Standby. Come on. Standby, I told you.
Grazie mille.
Grazie.